Hey guys, in this video we are going to talk about security for your website. Now, domain security, which is basically your domain is your website address. Security is probably one of the easiest ways to increase your rankings in Google. Why? Because most business owners haven't figured this out yet. They have no idea. No idea whatsoever that Google is massively penalizing sites that do not have what's called HTTPS, a secure site certificate. So rather than go into a technical definition of what this means and what it's all about, it really doesn't matter. What's important is that you know HTTP is not secure, with the S stands for secure. So we want to have our website secure and we will instantly jump in Google rankings. Sound good? It's pretty much the best, easiest website hack ever. So let's jump over. I'm going to show you how to do it if you're using SiteGround. And if you are not, I'm going to show you how to use it if you're using Squarespace or Wix. If you're using a different web host, it's going to be very, very similar. You're just going to have to look up your own tutorial for that. So SiteGround, it's as simple as logging in. You head over to where it says extra services. SSL certificate is what we want. That is the HTTPS, and we're going to hit get. From there, we go ahead and we can choose our HSL certificate. We can either add a paid one or just select the free one. I already have mine installed, so that is why these other options are coming up. You select your domain and then you hit apply. It's literally as easy as that. Now with Squarespace, we are simply going to go over to our security preferences, and it's going to by default say that your website is insecure. All you have to do is go up to where it says secure and just check that, and then just check this little guy, and all of a sudden 72 hours later you will find your website has HTTPS. Okay? And lastly, if you are using Wix, it's a very similar process. You're going to go to settings in your site's dashboard, scroll down, click manage, and just turn that bad boy on. So in all three of these, HTTPS is free. If you're using something like GoDaddy or HostGator, you're going to have to pay extra for it. It can be anywhere from $20 to $40 per year. It is well worth it because you are going to rank better by simply applying this. So make sure you have HTTPS applied and enabled on your website before you continue, and you will see your rankings go up. Now, one thing that I should mention before you go ahead and get confused is there are different types of SSL. SSL is this little secure thing right here, right? And so you don't have to worry about what these are. Really, there are different levels. Some are more secure than others. If you have a big e-commerce store, you might want to have a specific type over another specific type. But if you have just a small business, all you need to make sure is that you have this little S after your HTTP. You don't need to worry about paying for extra services or getting any fancy certificate. You just need any type of certificate that gives you SSL. Sweet deal. Now go out and apply it, and I will see you in the next video.